Hello, Katie here. Today I will be showing you how to do a hardware reset on two common types of Dahua recorders. First, we will be starting with an NVR-I. Ensure all screws to the case are removed and the power to your device is off. On this recorder it's just 4 screws shown here. Now let's take a closer look under the hood. Looking closely, I can see that the reset button is over by the CPU and battery. I will zoom in to make this clearer and show some photos. Never remove the battery as this will cause much more serious issues. To reset, hold this button down and turn the power to your device on. Keep the button held down until you hear this beep. You can now release the button. Leave your recorder for a few minutes to reset. After some time, you will see the device initialization screen on your HDMI or VGA output. Here is a video of the same process on a common type of XVR. Thank you for watching. If you have found this useful, be sure to click the thumbs up icon as this will increase the visibility of my videos and help other installers, engineers and end users who may be looking for the same advice. In the event your device does not have a reset button, or this method failed, you can check out my other videos I created on resetting Dahua recorders. Or alternatively, you can contact your local Dahua technical support desk or email.